Hey, I'm making an unboxing video, and this time it's gonna be on this package that arrived here today. Yay! So, um, I'm assuming that this package should contain something that is a sirening. Well, a few days ago, me and my dear father we've ordered the a new sirening from mercadolibre, Colombia, and today it arrived here, and so I'm gonna do the unboxing video. Also, I'm gonna use this classic cutter, this bigger classic cutter, the orange one, to make the unboxing of this package way better. This cut right here to to open this bag, and then I keep opening it using two hands, and 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 now all we have inside this bag is this package, right? As you can see, I think this is the box for the content, or for what does the does this package contain. So do we do some cuts right here. Oh, I think it's a sirening which is inside there. Since this package isn't still open, which all I have to do is keep on on cutting right there, as you can see. But first, I'm gonna find something to to improve the camera angle. I will be right back soon. Or I mean, I will be back soon or less. Oh, oh, here I got something, which is this this iPhone Bluetooth speaker Darth Vader from Star Wars. This packaging. Also, I'm gonna use this package to put the angle of the camera. There we go. I don't think the camera is falling, so I now can show you a whole lot better where I have to cut with using this classic orange cutter. So you cut right here. I cut right here like this, and do the same thing with the other side until until I feel if this package is almost open. Oh yeah, and I'm thinking about uploading this amazing and awesome unboxing video on my Santiago Reese Triple channel, and put it on my unboxing and unbagging videos playlist. So, oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's oh my gosh. Yay. I think that there we go. It's a sirening with the flukes or siren pasta and some staining. Um, and let's see if this every day I can take this um this this ironing out of this packaging, which I think it might look so amazing and awesome, but not only amazing and awesome. That should be pretty. This should be pretty useful when I'm gonna rewire something or put some some components on or electrical components on the board on the board or electro on some other electronics. But I think that's about it. That's about this unboxing video. So thank you all of you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and write a comments below. So thank you all of you for watching, and bye. You're all amazing and awesome.